when we have a verb of more than one word, we call it a verb phrase. A verb phrase is a main predicate of more than one word. Woo! 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 Now, a verb phrase contains a principal verb and an auxiliary verb. The principal verb is the most important word and is the final word in the phrase. Now, I know that sounds complicated, so let me give you an example. I am walking. Am walking is the verb phrase. The one word that tells exactly what I'm doing is walking. Walking is the principal verb. Am is the auxiliary verb. An auxiliary verb is a helping verb. Am walking. Am auxiliary. Walking principal. Am walking. Verb phrase. I am walking. I'll meet you down on the sand when the wind dies down. My stick is writing in the sand. Is writing is the verb phrase. Writing, principal verb. Is auxiliary verb. Is writing, verb phrase. Another example. Now my stick is waving in the air. Is waving, verb phrase. Waving, principal verb. Is the auxiliary verb. Is waving, verb phrase. Now, the two most important words in those phrases are writing, waving, because they paint the exact picture of what the stick is doing. Writing, waving, principal verbs. The most important verb in a verb phrase. Oh, my feet may get wet. Shoot! Yuck! May get, verb phrase. Get is the principal verb. May is the auxiliary verb. May get, verb phrase. Oof. Yeah. Now, principal verbs may be the most important words in verb phrases, but they still need the help of auxiliary verbs. So, as a special treat, I've written them in the sand for you. Be, was, have, may, shall, am, were, has, might, should, is, been, had, do, will, are, did, would, can, could, ought. Ta-da! One last word. Come on. At the beginning of the lesson, I said that there could be more than one auxiliary verb in a verb phrase. Let me give you an example with a quick story. Last week, when I was beachcombing for shells, tripped over a log and fell.
Oh, my goodness.
I might have been hurt,
Oh, in my shell.
but I wasn't. In the sentence, I might have been hurt, the verb phrase is might have been hurt. The principal verb is hurt. The auxiliary verbs are might have been. The verb phrase might have been hurt.
Oh, well, at least I wasn't hurt.
Now, while you do the exercises, I am going to change my socks. Am going is a verb phrase. I like the beach, but I don't like wet feet.